Good morning po. So today I will be talking about my project which is merge sort. So sa merge sort, merong konting topics. Input collection, merge sort function, base case check, array splitting, recursion, merge operator, merge sorted halves, appending remaining elements, and yung output. So mag-start tayo sa unang topic which is yung input collection. At the beginning of the algorithm, the user is prompted to input a series of numbers. These numbers represent the unsorted array that needs to be sorted. So sa umpisa ng code, i-ask tayo ng ating code na mag-input ng random numbers ng hindi magkakasunod-sunod and na kailangang i-sort, I mean. Next is yung merge sort function. The core of the algorithm lies in the merge sort function. This function takes an array as input and sorts it using the merge sort algorithm. It employs a divide and conquer approach, breaking down the array into smaller subarrays until each subarray contains only one element. Next is yung ating base case check. Before proceeding with sorting, the function checks whether the array has more than one element. If the length of the array is 1 or less, it implies that the array is already sorted and no further action is necessary. So dito i-check ng ating program kung yung nilagay nating array ay nakasort na or hindi. And if nakasort na siya, okay na yung ating code. Array splitting. If the array has more than one element, the function calculates the midpoint of the array and divides it into two halves, the left half and the right half. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for the recursive sorting process. Ang next natin ay naman ang recursion. The merge sort function is called recursively on both the left and right halves of the array. This recursive call continues until each subarray contains only one element, reaching the base case. Next ang ating merge operation. After the base case is reached and the subarrays are sorted individually, the merge process begins. This process involves comparing elements from the left and right halves and merging them back together into a single sorted array. Next ang ating merging sorted halves. During the merging process, two sorted subarrays are merged into one sorted array. This is achieved by comparing elements from each subarray and arranging them in ascending order in the merged array. Next, appending remaining elements. Once all elements from both halves are merged, there might be some remaining elements in either the left or right half. These remaining elements are directly appended to the end of the merged array, ensuring that no elements are left behind. Yung output, the sorted array is printed to the console completing the merge sort algorithm. So ito yung aking merge sort. So pag nirun natin siya, mag-enter tayo ng number separated by space. So let's try, pababa na lang. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 2, 1. So pag in-enter natin yan, dapat isort niya yan from lowest to highest. And ayan po, makikita natin sa output na nasort siya from lowest to highest. And yun lang po. Thank you.